Hello, love! Happy birthday! Yes, birthday mo na. So, matanda ka na ulit. Isang taon na naman dumagdag. Pero, kidding aside, always be grateful and thankful kay God kasi, ayan, so, padagdag na padagdag edad natin. But anyway, I hope that happy ka today and enjoy lang yung birthday mo with your family. Thank you for being a friend to me. Kasama ng pamilya mo, si Jay, si Rain, and si Angel. Hindi man tayo laging nag-uusap o nagkakasama kahit nakikita. Alam mo na, alito lang naman kami ng family ko. Ako, para sa inyo. So, enjoy your day, Bex. Okay? Stay healthy lang palagi. And I love you. Happy birthday! Liam, you wanna say something?
I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Bye! Happy birthday!
Hello, Marams! Happy birthday! God bless you and Mama Chup Chup. Love, love.
Hi, lovely. Hi, Mom Shi. Happy birthday. Alam mo, kahit na hindi pa tayo nagkita in person, parang feeling ko matagal na tayong nagkita. I wish you all the best in life. At wish ko lang na sana okay ka lagi and pray ka lagi. Tandaan mo na unahin mo lagi si God and ingat kayo lagi ng family mo. Thank you kasi in case of emergency andyan ka lagi. And God bless. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hoy, lovely. Akalain mo nagbe-birthday ka pa pala. Bukas na pala, ha? Hindi ka mala nag-invite, ha? Mars, happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana, ano ba? Parang nasa iyo na kasi lahat, eh. Pero siguro, maging healthy ka pa palagi. Syempre, long life, para mas matagal pa tayo maging magkaibigan. Alagaan mo sarili mo, ha? Tapos, pag may time na ulit, kita-kits na tayo para lapang-lapang ulit. Happy birthday, Mars! Ingat palagi!
Hello, Madam. Kumusta ka na? Happy birthday sa'yo, Madam. I wish you good health, happiness, and success. I hope to see you soon. Miss na kita. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, love. Hi, guys. Happy birthday. Grabe, 39 na tayo. I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. And thank you so much for being there college days natin. And I'm so happy for you and the kids and of course the JR. I wish you all the best in life and stay healthy palagi. Easy.
Kas, happy birthday. Kulot.
Hello anak ko. Kamusta ka na? Miss na kita. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi, wag mo na akong alalahanin dahil okay lang ako dito, kasama ko na sila Rocky. Robby, masaya kami ditong naglalaro. Anak, wala ka na bang chismis dyan? O siya, mag-iingat ka ha, mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday, lovely kulot.
Meet your time. I'm lucky. Lucky, 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 lucky. And you can tell me a girl into my lucky. Lucky.